carpet cleaning business, first time ever on the market, servicing Moama and Echuca. Austin's Complete Carpet Care is an iconic local business, proudly run by the same owner for 40 years. Widely recognised throughout Echuca and Moama, the business started with a push bike and custom trailer. Today, the business has grown into a trusted operation with a loyal domestic and commercial client base. This business has outlasted multiple competitors and franchises, performing strongly through all market conditions. Ideal for an owner-operator or husband and wife team, the business offers an excellent work-life balance. It would also make an ideal bolt-on acquisition for an existing cleaning business seeking consistent profitability. Everything you need is here, including a fully fitted van with truck-mounted equipment and chemicals. This sale is lifestyle-driven only, with the current owners planning more time overseas and a sea change. On the market for the first time, this is a profitable business with strong branding and excellent goodwill.